Alder7 back to you with another Minecraft video. Today oh gee, creeper. Oh man. Oh jeeper. Just get out of my house, bro. Gee, just let me push you off. Gee, come on. Okay, whatever. Well, today I will be showing you 100 anvils vs turtle eggs. Oh gee, you can't hear, it's cool. Yep. If you guys do want to see more versus videos, like 100 zombies vs iron golems or something, then be sure to leave a like on this video. Because yeah, it will let me know that you guys really want to see some more content like this. And yeah, that is exactly what you guys will get. Oops, no. Then I need turtle eggs. Turtle egg. Sea turtle egg. Here we go. I'm just going to have it like that. Gonna be careful not to step on them, you know. Then it cracks, and the mother is sad. Generally, no one is very happy. Reason why I'm gonna have to sneak anvils, you know, they're a utility item. So when I do that, yeah, you know. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna use this entire stack in survival, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Well, guys, I've got a good amount of anvils on here. So back to creative. Yeah, I'd say that's about 50 or something. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. And look, these turtle eggs. They can seriously withstand 100 anvils. Actually, yeah, about that, actually. About 50 anvils, and I can just step on them and break them. Well, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to destroy my subscribe button and my bell. Yeah, generally, never miss another video, and yeah, or we'll see you. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, guys, all very soon. Ooh, what's this?